Here we go.
First credit of the day.
First credit, CavallinoMatto.
Is that a credit? If it's on the track?
It must be. New credit. TopoZorro. That's actually kind of fun.
I'm doing a Fredrik.
Shout out to Fredrik.
No, Fredrik, I had to do it through the station also.
Hey! A worm with laterals. Hey!
And if you like it, you're gonna do it again.
I have no shame.
Oh, you cannot touch the track. Om bag ost.
Så glor ost.
Up with the laps.
Up.
Up the laps.
Up with the laps.
Clap.
Clap. Woo!